yo, eating clean, going to the gym, following the tips that I talked in this video, yeah, they're gonna make you look better. They're gonna make you look more attractive. You're probably gonna be able to pull more, but at the end of the day, what really matters is your personal health, that you're taking care of yourself. Here's the reality, boys. There's a lot of men's health problems there that you're not paying attention to that could be happening to you, and if you don't catch it early, it could become detrimental. Today, boys, I'm gonna show you 6 common men's health problems that you should watch out for, because health is wealth, my guy. Let's hop into this. Number 1, your testes, your little balls, your nuts, they're shrinking. See, this is a bad sign. What most people don't understand is that while your balls can't get naturally any bigger than their genetic potential, they can't get smaller.
No! Your testicles are half of what your fathers used to be.
That is the factory. That is the factory for the magic juice, our testosterone. That is the male hormone that we need to look better, to thrive, to be motivated, to lower our depression and testosterone, to increase our muscle mass. Testosterone is literally a man's magic juice. Well, the factory for it, it's in your testes. And when your T levels start dropping for XYZ reason, your testes start to shrink. So if you notice any shrinking, this could be a strong sign for yourself. Your testosterone levels are lower than where they need to be. Number 2, your oily skin. See, oily skin is usually a sign of a hormone imbalance. The problem is that it's a serious confidence killer, and it can cause severe acne. I used to suffer from this all the time when I was younger. I naturally have or am prone to oily skin. If you don't take care of it now, the problem just magnifies and it continues to eat at your confidence. This is why a skincare routine for men is so important. The issue for men is that they don't take care of their skin like women do. They don't think it's that big of a deal or that it needs any taking care of. This is why men end up aging faster than women. This is why with our sponsor Geology, they make it easier than ever. See, our sponsor Geology has a system that makes it a breeze for any dude to take care of their skin. See, with them, if you guys click the link down below, you can go and get a skin consultation with a skin professional. So once you do that, that skin professional is gonna see your skin and see the problems that your skin has. It could be dryness, or it could be redness, it could be flakiness, it could be oily, it could be acne. They're gonna take all your problems into consideration and then build a custom skin routine for your skin to ensure you're getting the effectiveness that you need to make you look better, to take care of your skin. And the easy part, it gets delivered to your door. You don't have to go anywhere or build anything. You're gonna get your face wash, you're gonna get your morning cream, which has sun protection, you're gonna get your scrub. These are essential steps that every guy should be doing, but most aren't. And I promise you, boys, do this routine just once, just one time, and you're gonna see an insane difference on your skin unlike ever before. Your skin's gonna feel softer than ever before because you're getting rid of all that dead skin. You're getting rid of all the extra oiliness, and it's gonna feel softer. Now imagine keeping that routine up every single day. Matter of fact, imagine what happens when you do it after a month. Actually, you don't have to imagine. If you guys click the link down below right now, because I want you to see what's gonna happen after just 1 month of proper skincare, they're doing an insane 70%. Did you hear that? 70%, my guy. This is basically free. Like, this is basically a gift at this point. You're gonna get an entire month supply for your first order at 70% off, just so you can try it out and see just how effective it could be on your skin and the difference it's gonna do for 1 month. After 1 month, I'm telling you, you're gonna be hooked. And there's a reason why over 250,000 men have used this system. It just works. If you guys wanna check it out, click the link down below. Number 3, it's depression. See, depression isn't just being sad or it's feeling the blues. It's a literal emotional disturbance that affects your entire body and mental well-being. Your brain chemicals and hormones are just completely out of balance, which then end up throwing your sleep, your appetite, and your energy out of whack as well. And for years, it was thought that women were the ones that suffered more from depression than men, but come to find out, what they're realizing is that men suffer from depression equally as much, but since it's not socially acceptable to say that I'm sad or that I'm depressed, men then end up bottling all that emotion and coping with it through aggression. So if you feel something like this and have felt it for a long time, you have to seek professional help. And no, it is equally as manly to seek for help and understand that the help that there is for depression through medicine and treatment actually works, and you can get better. Number 4, erectile dysfunction. Look, almost 50% of men are going to experience ED at least once in their life for various reasons.
Should we try again? This doesn't usually happen.
Such as low testosterone level, which thankfully it's treatable. Or it could be that you're just super stressed out, and when that happens, your cortisol levels rise when you're stressed, which ends up impacting your levels of testosterone. Or it could be that you're just watching too much porn, since this stuff is going to desensitize you from the real stuff when you're there. Whatever it is, it's important to take a hard look at your lifestyle and find the root cause to your erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction can be a serious confidence and motivation killer, because when it happens to you, it's embarrassing. So instead of letting it kill your confidence, again, take that hard look in your life. See what aspect it is that is affecting you, and then attack that. Number 5, your skin cancer. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, men are more than twice as likely to develop skin cancer than women are. And this risk is due to more frequent sun exposure, due to men are the ones that are doing all the labor-intensive jobs, and they're not applying sunscreen. I have told you this for years, how important sunscreen is, and this is why you need to develop that skincare routine, because as a man, you have to protect your skin. This is your outer layer. This is your protection. Sunscreen is the most important thing to prevent premature aging, to make sure your skin's looking good, prevent that sun damage, and ultimately prevent skin cancer. And finally, number 6, liver disease. Look, guys are at higher risk for developing these as well, just because we tend to be the ones that are heavy drinkers. And the CDC statistics prove that. See, they note that men experience higher related deaths and accidents due to alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol just ends up increasing the risks of cancers in the mouth, throat, esophagus, liver, and colon, and it also interferes with testicular function and your hormone development, which is why I've talked about before, if you're a heavy drinker, chances are you are killing your testosterone levels. And that's basically it for this 6th video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are 6 men's health risks that you need to watch out for. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Geology. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.